Hello and welcome to another GameSalad tutorial. I'm Optimistic with GSHelper.com. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through setting up your Mac so that you can publish to Android and to the Google Play Store. And the instructions for this will be coming directly from the GameSalad cookbook as at the date of this video. Now, to get started, we're going to need two pieces of software. The first one being the Java SE Developer Kit, which you can get via the link I've put into the description of this video. And we're going to need the Android SDK Tools software as well installed onto your Mac. That link is also in the description. So we're downloading right now the Android SDK from the link provided by GameSalad themselves. And once you have it downloaded, I need you to rename it to SDK and put it in your home folder. And that takes care of setting up your Mac for Android publishing. Let's go on to step 2, which is creating and generating a key store. See you soon.